Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Brigham Stoker, the Bowtie Dentist. I'm here today to show you Opalescence Whitening Gel for custom trays. I'm going to teach you what they are and how to use them. Opalescence is the global leader in professional teeth whitening and many of my patients' favorite brand. The first thing you're going to need if you want to use this whitening gel is some custom trays that fit specifically on your teeth. These are mine, and your dentist can make some just for you. They'll take a scan or impression of your teeth and make some custom trays that fit right on your teeth. You can also use a retainer that you have from previous orthodontic work. It'll work just as well as these custom fitted trays. Let me show you how to use them. Today I'm going to be using the 35% bleach, which is what most of my patients choose to use. You basically take and you twist off the tip of that gel, but you'll want to keep it because it acts as a cap to keep that gel fresh when it's not in use. So when you're placing the gel in the tray, you can either put a line of the gel along the front of the tray, or you can put about a rice-size amount on the front of each tooth of the tray, about halfway up the tooth. That's the method that I prefer. Now, I have a tooth back here that has a crown on it. I'm not going to put any gel on that tooth because you can't whiten a porcelain crown, so there's no use in wasting the gel on that tooth. Now notice, when you do it, it's not going to use the whole syringe of gel to fill that up. So I'm going to cap that off and save it for my next use. Now that your tray is loaded and ready to go, you're going to brush your teeth to make sure there's a nice clean surface for the gel to adhere to. And you're going to go ahead and place your tray, making sure it's fully seated. And there you go. Now, if any gel does squish up onto your gums, don't worry about it. Clean it off with a soft toothbrush or a tissue. You may feel a little bit of a tingling sensation or get a couple white spots on your gums. Don't worry about it. It's totally normal and it goes away. Just make a note and use a little bit less gel next time you whiten. Now remember, the gel in this tray is 35%, so I'm going to wear it for 30 to 60 minutes. I always recommend to my patients to wear it in the morning while they're getting ready for the day and while they're in the shower, because that usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes. Now once that time is up, you take the tray out, you brush off the excess gel off of your teeth and off of the inside of the tray. Clean everything up and you're good to go. You may experience sensitivity while whitening your teeth. Remember, there are several different concentrations that you can try that might help prevent this. There's a 10%, a 15%, a 20%, and this 35% we've been using. Sometimes a lower concentration for a longer period of time can help reduce that sensitivity. You just have to find which one works best for you. Remember to check your instructions so you know how long to wear each percentage of gel. If overnight is a convenient time for you to whiten, I recommend the 10% gel, since you can wear that for an extended period of time. Another thing you can do is brush your teeth with Opalescence Sensitivity toothpaste before and after you whiten. This can have a dramatic effect in reducing sensitivity. And lastly, you can take days off from whitening to give your teeth a break before wearing the tray again. You can go every other day, you can go every 3 days, whatever works best for you to reduce that sensitivity. And it's as easy as that. I love this product and my patients do too, and it's a great option for anyone who wants a whiter and brighter smile.